What secrets did forgotten experiments leave behind?
The job paid well, with one unique instruction: lip, dip, paint.
The women even painted their nails and teeth, literally glowing like ghosts. But the glow was a slow-motion poison, eating them from the inside out.
Company scientists knew the truth, but the files were sealed for profit.
The radium, absorbed like calcium, caused their very jaws to disintegrate. Their fight forced change, a lasting monument of tragedy for worker safety.
Follow for more bizarre stories that changed the world.